Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make Acadia gum water. And the best thing for this is to put it in hot tea or hot coffee, a teaspoon of it once a day, and for about a week. And then after a week, you can go to 2 teaspoons twice a day. And it actually lowers blood sugar. It did lower my blood sugar in a month by 6 points. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So here is the resin. And what I did is I already started it. I put an ounce of it in this jar. And I poured hot water into it. And I heated up the water, and it's, as you see, it's starting to melt now. And I waited a little bit so it cooled off a little bit so that you don't break the glass. And I boiled some more water, and I am pouring it in again so that it will melt it even more. As you can see, it was a lot of resin, and it was an ounce, but it was pretty big. And it's actually melting it. Because eventually you're going to drink this water anyway. And now that it's not that hot in there, I'm going to pour the rest. And I'm going to wait a little bit till it gets, again, melted. And then I'm going to pour a little bit more hot water in it. And eventually it'll look like this. This one's almost done. That's why I'm pouring another one. And I basically I didn't even strain it. I left it in there because by the time it sits there and melts, you're going to wind up with very, very little amount. And I'm going to shake it for about a day, and then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator, and it'll, believe it or not, even though it's cold, it'll continue to melt. Then you will take a teaspoon of it, you'll shake it first. You'll take a teaspoon of it and put it in something hot. Because if you put it in cold, it'll start to crystallize a little bit. So you put a teaspoon, I do it in my morning coffee. It has no taste at all. It's totally tasteless, and it is just a little bit sticky, very little. So you don't even need to put plastic over the top. You can just close it, and you just, you got to close it tight, and you just shake it. And you keep mixing it until it completely dissolves. And as you see, it's really starting to dissolve because there was a lot in here. And there were a lot of big pieces, and now there's very little pieces. So that's it. This is a 12-ounce jar. You can do it to a 12. I put about 1.5 ounces in the 12-ounce jar. And that's it. That's the whole thing. And give it at least a month and have your blood sugar tested and see if it lowers it. Have a great day.